Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we take an actions through our mouse click. Okay, so for that, I'm gonna click on this insert tab, and here in this illustrations group, I'm gonna insert some shapes where I will click and certain action will happen. So I'll click on shapes, and if I scroll down to the most bottom side, if you see here, we have some action buttons. So we have different actions buttons. If I keep my cursor in the first one, you will see go back to previous. The second one is action button, go forward next. The third one, go to beginner. Similarly, all. So what I'll do is I'll just click the first one and I'll draw the shape on the screen. Okay, now just after drawing the shape, you will have this dialog box appear on your that current slide. Now, if you see, we have two options, mouse click and mouse over. Okay, so in this tutorial, we're going to learn mouse clicks. So what happens is if you are having this, as you can see, this is my last slide. And when I'll be showing this in the presentation, and when I want to add something on it, apart from this presentation, I want to add something like I want to add a Word file, I want to add an Excel file, I want to add a WordPad, a link, okay, a URL. So for this, I will be using this mouse clicks. Okay, if I'll click on this icon, it will redirect to the another website or another file or another command, which I will select here. So what it allows, so here you can see we have an arrow. If I click on that, we have some options here which says next slide. So if I click on this, then it will move to the next slide, but we don't have here a next slide. So by default it is selected to previous slide. Why? Because this command was, this action button was action button for previous slide. Okay, now we have first slide, last slide. Similarly, we have in show, we have custom show. You can style a custom which slide you wanna place in which position. Now we have slides, we have custom URLs. You can place a URL so it redirects to a website. And we have PowerPoint presentation, and you can add some other files, for example a picture, a video. Okay, and similarly you can do the same thing, this other files work with this run program. Now what run programs do, you can add any program in your PC, and if you click on this button, that will help you to run a program. So that program can be a game, a video, a picture, an Excel file, and any document, a PDF, whatever. Okay, maybe you wanna open a browser. Okay, so I'll click on hyperlink to previous slide. If I wanna add some sounds, then I can add it from here. I'll add this hammer sound, play a sound, and then click on OK. Now let's have this presentation view. I'll click on slideshow, and I'll click on from current slide. Now as you can see, we have this presentation view, and I'm gonna click on this. Okay, let's try again. So we have this presentation, and this is the button, the action button. So I'm gonna click on this button. That's why it is called click mouse action button. So if I click here, then you can hear the sound and it redirects to the previous slide. So this is the previous slide. I'll press escape. So this was my previous slide and this was my current slide. Similarly, if you want to edit the performance, you can select the button and then click on format. Now if you want to change something in the appearance, you can do it from here, like the effects. Okay, like this. Great. So this way guys, you can use a mouse action button in PowerPoint presentation. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.